YouTube? It's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back in the video, yes sir, today we'll be doing a review in the on feet of the Air Max 95s PRM. Subscribe if you're new. To my new subscribers, go ahead. Appreciate y'all hitting subscribe button for your boy. Appreciate y'all showing love to the channel as well. Welcome to Jared the One family. Like I said, and to my old subscribers, I always appreciate y'all showing love. As always, appreciate that. Go ahead, man, follow my shoe pages. You know what I'm saying? Jared the One. And on Twitter, follow me, Jared the Ones. Let's grow to 5 subscribers, man. Pick 35 subscribers, get some free kicks. I don't like free stuff. I know everybody love free stuff. I know I do. I'll pick 3 or 5 subscribers, get some free kicks. Let's get to it. Let's get into the video. I'm reviewing the on field of these Air Max 95s. See, me, I'm not big into the Air Max 95s. I like Air Maxes, but 95s ain't really my biggest. But this colorway right here, yeah, made me call my eye. And the box too. The box fire. Box super fire. So let's further ado, let's get into the shoe. Oh yeah, I told y'all the box fire. You know what I'm saying? This came in if you see my review, the Travis Scott 270 Reacts, and it came in the Jordan 11 box right here, the reds. So I'm saying the box super fire. You know what I'm saying? Got right there, got the Just Do It. You know what I'm saying? Got the Nike, got the size 11.5, the Nike. On the back, you got the Nike swoosh in the back. And right there, I don't know what all that say right there, but let's get to it. So it says Air Max 95 PRM, black pink foam, gun smoke, 11.5, retail for 180. Like I said, let's get to it. Bang! Air Max 95 PRM, pink gun smoke colorway. Overall, shoe is dope. Shoe fire. You can tell it's definitely like a highlighted pink. On the bottom right here on the bubble, got a highlighted pink as well too. Shoe fire. Shoe E. Size 11.5. I could do 11.5 or 12 in Air Max 95. Let me get that shoe out. Let's talk about the shoe. So on your outsole right here, you got your pink outsole, black, and right here, you got the Nike. You see right there, say Nike right there on the metal part right there. And on your upper, you got the grays, a suede. And of course on your upper, you got like that gray. It's like a fade, like a light gray, dark gray. Fade down, right on sole on the side. You got your pink Nike on the side. On the back, you got your Nike Air, you got the reflective back, of course, you got the pink Nike on the back. And on your tongue, you got Air Max right there. And on your inside, you got your pink Nike Air on the inside. Right here on the little lace tags on the side, you got your pink lace tags on the side. Overall, like I said, I'm not big at 95s, it's my first pair of Air Max 95s. So these right here, fire. Super fire. I just had to copy. Shoot, why not? It's just fire though. Size on these, like I said, any Air Maxes will have size up in them. Like I said, I could do 11.5 or 12. One time I tried to do 11, ain't work out. They run super tight, super small. So you 11.5 or 12 in these. Like I said, any Air Max super small. I don't know the meaning behind like this exact colorway. Like I said, that box, and I'm like, ooh, what's up with that? What's up with that box? I said, that's fire. They first handed them to me, I said, oh yeah, that box fire. Super fire. But I'm gonna get too much talking. Let's get this on feet going. Like I said, like and subscribe if you're new. Go to 5 subscribers. Pick 35 subscribers, get some free kicks. It could be one of these. It could be some Pumas. It could be some Jordans. It could be whatever. Even for my ladies. You know what I'm saying? I got a couple female subscribers. If you know what I'm saying? Y'all might like the little ugly slippers. I might give her them. You never know. Just go ahead and subscribe, but share it to your friends, share it to your mama, share it to whoever. Make sure to post notifications go on there as well too. You first want to, you know what I'm saying, see my video, react to anything. Let's get this on feet going. Then get it. You definitely get the Gerardo 1 stamp on feet, making you look more better. Because at first, like I said, I'm not big into Air Max 95s. I'm not big into Air Max 95s at all. But this colorway made me start wanting to get them. And Air Maxes have always been comfortable too. Everybody always say Air Max is comfortable. I was never into Air Maxes. But now I'm starting to get love, you know what I'm saying? I'll be on my feet a little bit more. I need something comfortable on my feet because Jordans ain't comfortable all the time. So, like Air Maxes, super comfortable. Just gotta get that right colorway, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, comment down below if these are heat or a drop. I say heat. Comment below if they're heat or drop. Retail on these is 180, only in men's size only. I ain't seen them in grade school though. If they came in grade school, shoot, let me know. In grade school, they might be dope too. Yeah, man, that is it for this review on feet. Like and subscribe if you do. Roll 5 subscribers, like I said, pick 35 my subscribers, get some free kicks. All like free stuff. I told y'all, I got y'all. If you give me 500 subscribers, I promise y'all, I will get y'all some free kicks. 3 or 5 my subscribers get some free kicks. I promise you. We gotta get the 500 subscribers quick. Y'all know about this giveaway. Come on, let's get to it. Gerardo 1 is out. Peace.